Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Vivian Arana, and I'm your instructor from School of AI. I'm excited to introduce this course, Claude for Absolute Beginners. This program is designed for anyone who has heard about AI, seen the rise of tools like Claude, and wants to learn how to actually use them in real life. You do not need a technical background, coding skills, or prior experience. We'll start from zero and build practical skills step by step so you can use Claude for productivity, learning, career growth, and everyday tasks with confidence. Many people are curious about AI, but they often feel overwhelmed about where to start. That is exactly why this course was created. Claude for Absolute Beginners helps you learn one of today's most powerful AI tools in a simple and practical way. You don't need technical skills, and you don't need prior experience. In just 7 days, you'll learn how to use Claude to save time, work smarter, organize your life, and improve daily productivity. Instead of watching others use AI, you'll gain the confidence to use it yourself. If you've been waiting for the right starting point, this is it. Inside this beginner friendly bootcamp, we focus on practical outcomes. You'll learn how to use Anthropic Claude from the ground up, including how to ask better questions and write prompts that generate useful answers. We'll cover real world use cases such as writing emails, creating content, summarizing notes, researching topics faster, and managing tasks more efficiently. You'll also discover how Claude can support your career by helping with resumes, LinkedIn profiles, professional communication, and job preparation. By the end of the course, you'll build your own personal AI assistant system that fits your goals and workflow. AI is quickly becoming an important skill in every industry, and Claude is one of the most capable tools available today. The challenge is that many beginners never learned how to use these tools properly. They try once, get poor results, and give up. This course changes that. We make learning simple, structured, and hands on. You'll follow step by step lessons, practical exercises, and real examples that help you build confidence fast. So if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines and start using AI in your own life and career, enroll now and begin your journey with Claude for Absolute Beginners.